Hi guys, here's a really quick video to show you a common problem that these Troy Bilt 22-inch deck tractors have that you could fix yourself. It's pretty easy to fix. Now this tractor just suddenly stopped mowing. It was able to drive just fine, but nothing was mowing. And if you look underneath the tractor, you could see here that there's a belt that's really loose. So it's pretty clear that this came off the pulley that drives the blades. And that's also why the blade engagement lever doesn't have as much tension as before. And here I'm going in under the right side of the tractor. You can see that as I'm pulling on this belt, I can trace it back to this one really shiny pulley back here. And this is the one that actually moves back and forth when you use the lever to engage the blades. And it's a little hard to film it, but you can see what I did was I pushed the belt just right behind this pulley. And I did that in part by lowering the deck a little bit and engaging and disengaging this pulley until I was able to wiggle the belt around it. And you could see that it's a whole lot tighter now up against all the pulleys. And it's not perfect, and probably the belt will need to be replaced at some point. But at least for now, it'll do the job until I get a chance to order another replacement belt online somewhere. So I hope this video helps some of you with the same problem. And please be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.